the channel. So, if you haven't really noticed yet, we are doing this segment called Trade Tries, right? And basically, every single video that I'm putting out there is me trying something new. If you didn't know that already. Ooh, my skin is popping. What I'm trying today is, drum roll please, I am going to make my own hair growth tonic, okay? It's a little superstitious. I know, voodoo. I'm gonna see if I can make some sort of concoction to make my hair grow overnight. Okay, so I looked online. I looked up some different kind of foods that would help make your hair grow. Here's what I got. Some eggs. Now I heard that these eggs are a wonderful ingredient to help your hair. I got some carrots, and now see, I don't know if the myth is carrots are good for your eyes or whatever, but if you can see it, my hair, then that means we did something right. I got some spinach too, because apparently spinach is good for your hair. Okay. I got some peppers. Now, I don't know why Wiki said that peppers are good for hair, but I got peppers. And for y'all who don't know, I like my hair virgin. So I got some extra read all about you virgin olive oil, if you can see that in the cup. Mixed into this olive oil is sunflower seeds. Why? Because I don't know about y'all, but this looks like a full salad. I'm gonna take my trusty spoon here, and we're just gonna mush this stuff up as best we can without it flying all over the place. This actually smells pretty nice. It smells like a nice salad. Hey, I got some shampoo. What's this? Conditioner. Anywho, I got some conditioner. I'm gonna pour some of it into this
so tasty.
Into this tonic, honey. Shampoo here. You can't see it, but it's shampoo.
Then in here, 2 shots of vodka.
That's also going into this tonic. I got some curl and shine shampoo. And I'm gonna put that in. And then just to make it extra curly, I got this curls to go stuff. We're just gonna put that. It smells a little nice. I'm gonna put that in there. Psych. Y'all didn't think that we couldn't have a voodoo hair tonic without voodoo, did you? Before I do this, let me change into something that's a little bit more suitable. Okay. Placing in some quadrants. Oh, 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 just going to scrub a little bit more because I really want those juices to get into the roots, you know, to pull that natural hair out that I know I can grow. And it's burning. So let's wash it out. Okay, so I'm back from the shower. All right, and my hair seems to be a little bit dry now. I got all the stuff out, which is nice, which is fine. So only thing left to do is to wrap her up. So we're gonna tie her hair up for the remainder of the night, and we're gonna check back tomorrow morning to see what's happening. Yeah, so I'll check back with you guys in the AM. Good night, everyone. Yeah, wait a minute. Oh my god, it came with a hairband? Oh my god. 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 Hey y'all, if y'all like this video as much as I loved filming it, then please like, comment, and subscribe. Also share with your friends because we need subscribers here. We need them. Yes, this has been Trey Tries. Toodles. Can't wait to see you for the next video. That's it. It's over. I'm done.